solar system, the mysterious jewel in the universe. Have you ever looked at the sky and wanted to get lost among the stars? The solar system is just the gateway for that. This immense system is a celestial gallery that scientists and enthusiasts alike marvel at. This extraterrestrial arrangement, harboring secrets, mysteries, and stunning beauties within, reminds us of the magnificent complexity of the universe. The heart of the solar system is the Sun. This giant star exerts its effect by pulling all other planets and celestial bodies towards itself and forcing them into orbit. Therefore, every time we witness the sunrise, we actually witness the effects of this constant energy source at the center of the solar system. The first planet that opens the door to secrets is Mercury. As the closest planet to the Sun, this small world lives at the extremes of temperatures and attracts attention with the huge craters on its surface. Venus is famous for its dense atmosphere and surrounding temperatures. Venus is the only planet that rotates on its axis in the opposite direction of all other planets in the solar system. Thus, the Sun rises over Venus from the west. Earth is considered a magnificent planet for water, life, and humans. It is also the only place known to harbor life in the universe. Mars is famous for its mysterious red surface and long valleys. Researchers are trying to search for signs of ancient life on Mars. Jupiter is the most massive planet of the solar system. It is home to a giant storm known as the Great Red Spot. Saturn is distinguished from other planets by its fascinating rings. This gas giant planet also attracts attention with its size. Saturn appears with a huge structure that can accommodate all the solar system planets. Uranus is a large gas planet. It is known for its ability to rotate on the horizontal axis, which distinguishes it from other planets and increases its mystery. Neptune is a cold and windy planet and has a large magnetic field. It contains the famous Great Dark Spot. In this video, we explored the solar system and learned the unique characteristics of each planet. If you enjoyed this journey and marveled at the wonder and mystery of the solar system, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you, and see you on our future adventures.